welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new interesting video. In this video I will provide you a new TRX mining website. In this website you can earn a huge profit by activating your account, and I give you information how to recharge, how to make a big team on this, how to deposit and how to withdraw money from this websites. These all information are very necessary because these are the basic importance of these websites, and I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out this link. I click on a Chrome to go to the registration page of this website. The name of this website is trxbmw.com is the name of this website. And friends, how you can register in this website, and if you are not understand English, you can click on a language option and change your this website language into your native language such as Portuguese, Indian, Korean, German and others. And friends, after changing in your language, and please there are some steps to fill and enter into the registration and enter into the websites. First is you need to mobile phone number. Put your mobile phone number here, it required necessary. And this is the login part of the password, and this is the security password. Login password is required when you're trying to log in into the websites, and security password is required when you're trying to enter and withdrawing money from this website. And this is the captcha, which you fill this captcha into the attach option, and after filling this all information you can enter into the website successfully. Please enter mobile phone number, login password, security password, and please do not try to change it, because if you change it you cannot be able to get a registration reward of this website. And friends, I fill all information and enter into the websites, and I again remember you, please do not change it. And in the down, this is a very basic information. This password is stored in a decentralized way and it cannot be retrieved after it is lost. Please remember your password. And I click on a sign up option and enter into the website, such as I entered into the websites. And this is, did you withdraw money today? This is the question of this website. Reminder is that the basic account balance will not accumulate daily mining income, and it needs to be withdrawal every day. Investor who have not yet withdrawn the mining income, please withdraw as soon as possible. For convenience, you can download the TRX BWM program here, and I close this from clicking on a close. And friends, here you can see the look of this website is very beautiful and it work very smooth. And in the up of this you can see our total balance. I received a 5000 TRX as a registration reward, and this is the change of language, and this is the notification option. Friends, you can see that there are many types of notification. I already described this, and now I describe these three parts of this website. First, I click on official Telegram customer services, and official Telegram customer services is that you can click on it and go to the official Telegram. And trxbmw.com is that trxbmw.com currently has more than 10 self-built mining cooperative mines around the world. The world leading one-stop blockchain computing powerful ecosystem. In December 2021, Tron millionaires income was nearly $3 billion. We are a compliant company. You can invest with confidence. Join us and develop together. Professional mining integrity company. The only official link is that you can see that these are the official link of website. This is the official Telegram customer service. This is the official white paper of this website. I click on a white paper to give you a review of the white paper. Friends, you can see that this is the TRX BMW PDF. White paper is that Metaverse, NFT and DeFi white paper. About us: His Excellent Justice Son, founder of trxbmw.com, Tron is committed to accelerating the decentralization of the internet through blockchain technology. Friends, you can read this information. This is a safe and efficient with strong computing power, the only legal cloud mining platform in the world. And you can read all this information about TRX white paper, and you can need to read all information about this website if you want to invest in this website. And if you want to earn more and more money by this website, you can need to understand the program, the working, the processing of this website. By reading this white paper you can get all information of this website. This white paper has 88 pages and you can read it, which you can need. And I go back to the website to give you a review of others. And in the down you can see an introduction to the top 10 mining based in this dat. And in the down, mining funding 5 TRX minimum daily profit 5% accumulate 5 to 30,000 TRX daily minimum profit of 5% accumulated 30,000 to 1 and to 50,000 TRX daily minimum 5.5, and minimum is 5% and maximum is 10% of this withdrawal. The minimum daily withdrawal amount is 5% of the fund. The maximum daily withdrawal amount is 10% of the fund. 7% of daily mining revenue. Mining proceeds at settles at 12 a.m. Singapore time zone. Recommended recharge to get rich rewards. Recommended new user recharge rewards 13% for first level user, 5% for second level user, and 2% for third level user. For example, the member registered through your referral link is your first level user. Your first level user recharge and 1000 TRX, you can get 130 TRX commission reward, commission rebate 13%. For example, the customer that you first level user invite to register through his referral link is your second level user. Your second level user recharge 1000 TRX, you can get 50 TRX commission rewards, and you can read all this information. And friends, recommended more user to join your promotion link and the promotion commission reward. You can get the commission charged by the recommended user will go directly to your promotion account, and you can withdraw it directly. And friends, this is the notification of this website. I already describe you how to increase the daily withdrawal limit and earn more TRX. The answer of this, how to increase the daily withdrawal limit. And if you want to increase the daily withdrawal limit of website, you need to deposit more and more TRX in this website and earn more TRX. You can earn a more TRX by joining a huge team through your referral links. And I go back to the website to give you a review about this, how to deposit, how to withdrawal. At the end of this video I describe, and now I am going to describe about share option, team option, app option, and logout. Share option is very necessary if you want to make a huge team in this website. You need to copy this link and share your friends, and your friends invest in this website through your referral links. You can get automatically reward in your promotion account. And this is the team option. You can check your team, how much you have a team in your TRX website. And in the down you can see app option. You can download the app of this website, and this is a logout option. In the down friends, you can see two wallets, and this is a wallet account, this is a promotion account. In wallet accounts I have a 5000 TRX, which is equal to 313.9 TRX. And friends, these are the not necessary things you need to withdraw it has. And it joined to be a millionaire and Tron millionaire use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all user can get the most revenue. And in the down platform data display is that, and membership is that. You can see that about us, we are at our best. And I see that this website has a huge team, has a huge number of memberships. And in the down cloud mining offered a potentially cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantity trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. And these are the global partner of this website. You can use this wallet to exchange and withdrawing money from this. And I going to describe you how to earn money. Click on a trading option. This website provide you a 7% cloud mining is working, and you can check your daily withdrawal limit, your withdrawal amount, you can see here. And I go back to show you the invest option. This invest option has no orders, and it orders come and out because of the owner. And in the down you can see a share option. I already described you. This is the portion invite your content or friends and earn rewards. And friends, this is the deposit option and withdrawal option, and this is a main portion known as a mine. You can see a total balance here at deposit option, withdrawal option, TRX deposit quantity, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account, and open withdrawal functions. And these are the information: team option, transfer to basic account, profit list, and change password, change security password, share notification, app, and logout option. And you can check your daily profit list from profit list portion. And I am going to describe you friends how to withdraw and how to deposit in this website. If you want to deposit in this website, click on a deposit portion, such as I click on a deposit portion. Friends, there are two types of accounts: transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. In one transfer to basic account, you need, if you want to earn through trading, you need to invest in a transfer to basic account. If you want to make a huge team and earn a huge profit by this website, you can need to transfer to promotion account and invest in this website and other. And I click on a transfer to basic account. Friends, you can see that first this is your copy address. Click on copy address to send him a TRX to activate your account, first you need to understand this. Please do not recharge other non-tax guests. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. The minimum 5 TRX. I copy this address and go to my trust wallet account to send him a 10 TRX has a demo to show you how to deposit in this website. I click on a send option and click paste here and click on a 10 TRX and click on a transfer options. And friends, I have no fee, network fee, therefore I send him a 9 TRX, so my fees are cut in this. And I click on a 9 TRX, friends. You can see that now I have a confirm option and my total balance is not available to pay the fee of this web sending. I click on a confirm option, friends. Here you can see that my transaction are loading and you can see that here today is my transfer pending and I wait my transaction status completed or not, and I refresh here again and again to see that my transaction are stated successfully sended or not. And friends, you can see that my transfer are sent successfully to the website, my address, and I go to the back website and click on a recharge completed, and I wait for my transaction deposited successfully and not. I refresh this page to check my transaction received or not. Friends, you can see that this website has very instant deposit and very instant withdrawal function. I receive a 9 TRX I deposited in this website. Now I am going to describe you how to withdraw money from this website. Click on a withdrawal option and you can see that my daily withdrawal limit is very low. I refresh here to show add my all price here. Such as, friends, you can see that my daily withdrawal limit is 0.45 TRX. If you want to increase it, please invest more and more TRX in this website. I put first my daily withdrawal limit is here, and after putting this I put address here. How to copy this address? Go to your account and click on a deposit option, and in trust wallet click on a TRX and click on a receive and click on a copy this address and go back to the website and put here the address of TRX, and I put here, friends. You can see that I click on a confirm and I wait for amount submit successfully. First I clear this notification and message and I wait for my transaction received or not, friends. And friends, here you can see that I do not receive any message. Now I receive a message of receive for 0.45 TRX from the websites. I hope, friends, you like this video and understand clearly and easily. Please invest in this website to earn more and profits. Take care. Goodbye.